बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं प्रोफेसर रियासत और आपसे एकेडमिक गाइडेंस के प्लेटफॉर्म से मुखातिब हूं। डियर व्यूअर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा आज का टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन नेचर वर्सेस नर्चर कंट्रोवर्सी है। इट इज़ एन ओल्ड एज डिस्प्यूट अमंग बिहेवियरल psychologists, philosophers, theologians and theorists of consciousness as to the source of the creation of human personality. Does it develop primarily from biology, mean nature, or from the environment in which we are raised or brought up, mean nurture? तो डियर व्यूअर्स, इन सब की तफसील जानने से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इससे इस्तेफादा हासिल कर सके। तो जहाँ तक नेचर वर्सेस नर्चर की हिस्ट्री का तल्लक है तो पीपल हैव बीन पॉन्डरिंग द रोल ऑफ नेचर एंड एनवायरनमेंट सिंस द टाइम ऑफ हिपोक्रेटिस। Hippocrates, for example, linked the human behavior to four bodily fluids or humors: yellow bile, blood, black bile, and phlegm. Hippocrates classified personalities into four types related to these four humors or fluids. First one is choleric, having yellow bile, and the people having such type of personality are hot-tempered and aggressive very soon. While the second one is sanguine, having blood humors, and the people having such type of personality are more confident in the time of crisis and play a very important or positive role in disputes. While the third one is melancholic, having black bile. These peoples are usually moody and seem sad and depressed all the time. While the last one is phlegmatic, are slow to take action, mean those people having phlegmatic or phlegm fluid in their personality, they are cool-minded and very slow and peacefully to take action. Philosopher John Locke, whose ideas were a precursor to behaviorism, believed that behavior were externally determined, mean external environment plays an important role in shaping the personality of the individual. In the same way, Rousseau theorized that people were born essentially good and that positive aspects of the environment contribute to the development of the behavior. Further, John Locke believed that people were born essentially blank like a blackboard, and who they became was entirely the result of the environmental experiences. Further, dear viewer and student, जहाँ तक modern era का तल्लक है तो first scientist of the modern era to seriously consider the genetic and environmental effects in personality development was Francis Galton, a British scientist. He dabbled in arts and science but became primarily interested in what we today call genetics after his cousin Charles Darwin published The Origin of the Species in 1859. He was basically fascinated by the idea of genetic pre-programming and sought to uncover the ways in which humans are predestined. Many of his experiments were eccentric and ill-conceived, but his contribution to the fields are still considered vital and very important. His studies curiously led to the development of science of fingerprinting and to the concept of the word association test. He also coined the term eugenics and believed that science would one day be able to direct with absolute precision the development pattern of human evolutions. यानी ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशन को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए हम कोई भी डिजायर्ड चेंजेस इंडिविजुअल की पर्सनालिटी पे ला सकते हैं। ये आइडिया दुरुस्त है या नहीं, ताहम एक बेस प्रोवाइड करता है फॉर फर्दर डिस्कशन एंड डिबेट्स. इन द सेम वे, John Watson, the eminent behaviorist, who once made the outlandish claim, which he later modified, that he could turn babies into any kind of specialist he wanted. ये नहीं कि किसी भी बच्चे को अपनी मर्जी का स्पेशलिस्ट बना सकता है, ताहम ने बाद में उसने ये आइडिया वापस ले लिया क्योंकि इसका कोई साइंटिफिक प्रूफ नहीं था या इसकी कोई साइंटिफिक थ्योरी बेस नहीं करती थी जिसकी बिना पर ये क्लेम दुरुस्त माना जाए कि हाँ वाकई ही किसी भी बेबी को अपनी मर्जी का या अपनी चॉइस का स्पेशलिस्ट बनाया जा सकता है. ओवर द इयर्स much research has been done in the nurture versus nature controversy, and today nearly everyone agrees that both nature and nurture play crucial roles in human development. This outlook has been to be known as interactionism and is the dominant system of beliefs among biologists, psychologists, and philosophers nearly everywhere throughout the world. तो डियर व्यूअर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, ये थी ब्रीफ नेचर वर्सेस नर्चर की. उम्मीद है वीडियो आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगेगी. कमेंट्स बॉक्स में कमेंट्स करके अपनी राय से ज़रूर आगाह कीजिएगा. अल्लाह ताला हम सब के लिए आसानियाँ पैदा करे. आमीन सुम आमीन. अल्लाह हाफिज़.